right, this week we are making, what are we making, Catherine?
Today we are going to make brownies.
Right, in fact, we're going to make gooey salted caramel brownie mix. I'll pop the link in the description to this, but it's a Betty Crocker. So it's a really, really easy one for the little girl to make some brownies for home.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And
give it a thumbs up. So in here, we're going to add in the egg. I've already cracked it, so let's chuck the egg in. There's an egg, no shell.
Yep, no shell at all in the slightest.
So in here we've got oil, water and now an egg. All we have to do is literally add the bag and mix that they've already given us.
Oh, try pour it. Are we going to pour all of it in? Are we going to pour all of it, Mum?
Yes.
All of it?
Yes. So chuck that in gently.
All of it.
And then we mix. So that's pretty much mixed. That looks so yummy I could eat it.
Yeah, Mum. When that's done, and we lift that up, can I eat all the chocolate off it?
No. Which is why I asked you to get a thing. Right, so now we are going to put half of this into here, and then we're going to lay on top of it the salted caramel, which is in the microwave, and then we'll cover it with that. So we'll see you on the other side.
Now this is yummy.
And then this goes into the oven for 22 to 25 minutes. Right, we're going to take it out of the oven and see what it looks like. So that would be that. That looks like it is good to me. So what we'll do is we will leave it to chill a little before we slice, dice and feed it to the husband. Maybe with a cup of tea. And there's nothing that Daddy likes more than an afternoon cup of tea and a chocolate brownie.